Remember the first few weeks of the nationwide lockdown, being completely restricted to your home, only stepping out for the bare essentials? Now imagine falling sick or having to undergo treatment under a nationwide lockdown in a global pandemic. October is observed as Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and so we the People, we're dedicating tonight's show to the brave hearts and their spirits, breast cancer survivors and their family members, their caregivers, and their tales of triumph against cancer in the middle of a global pandemic. Neerja Malik joins us. She is a two-time survivor of breast cancer and now works as a counselor. Neerja, thank you. You know, cancer certainly pushes the individual and their families to the limit. The mental health of the patient and their families, with everything happening around us, cancer patients get overwhelmed, their families get overwhelmed with diagnosis, treatments, consultations. Mental health is already an issue in a pandemic. So then you have to deal with cancer and the pandemic.
Okay. So let me, just clarify a few things. I tell people that corona is not going to wait for cancer. Cancer definitely will not wait for corona. So I'm in a very good space in Chennai. We have a good hospital called the Apollo Specialty Hospital where I was diagnosed. And that is where I started the Apollo Cancer Support Group in 2004 on the 8th of March. Now, my patients, and I'm counseling a lot of them, are still going to this particular hospital because the Cancer Specialty Hospital ensures that there is no COVID patient there and the treatment has to go on. So your diagnosis, your surgeries, your chemotherapies, your radiations, just carry on. And one thing that I do is, apart from counseling the patients, I also counsel the entire family. Now,
so let me ask you.
Let
me ask you, Neerja, that we do so many shows on mental health, right? And we talk about mental health, a huge, serious problem in India, and the fact that when you are feeling stress, depression, any of these issues, they say go out, meet a friend, get a coffee. That now you can't do in a global pandemic when you're under lockdown. What about when you're surviving cancer, undergoing chemo, expecting visitors, friends to come and cheer you up, and that's not possible?
All right, I'll tell you one thing. I am friend, I am counselor, I am family, and I am the loved one of many of my patients. So I send them positive thoughts. There are about 50 videos of mine on YouTube. And I tell these patients, for your mental health, you will not go to the net. It is prohibited. But yes, the only time you can go there is if you want to look up Neerja Malik on Google, hear her videos on YouTube.
All right.
Because I know one thing, that I will never say anything negative.
All right. Well, thank you all for sharing your stories so openly, so candidly with us. While coronavirus is a serious pandemic, it must not make you neglect your overall health, compromise on your regular checkups and doctor consultations, or delay cancer treatment. Thank you all on that note for joining us and helping put some light on this issue. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.